Hi everyone, it's me, Emily. I'm back. But today I'm going to be opening a Snorlax GX box and a Zygarde Complete Form Pin Collections box. I was originally going to do these as two separate videos, but I figured what the heck, why not do both of them? I don't plan things here. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Zygarde Complete Form Pin Collection. That's a really detailed pin, and this was only like $10 again at Walmart, which for the 100th time I don't recommend, but whatever. But let's go ahead and check it. Whoop. So it's got the foil promo card, the pin, and 3 booster packs, which are Sun and Moon, Breakthrough, and I'm not sure what the third is. So here's the pin. It's the nice gold back, just like the others. Excuse my makeup stained and hair color stained fingers and chewed up cuticles. Please don't nail shame me. Please don't at me. I'm gonna grab my glasses. Hang on. So here is that promo card. Nice. See, we were in focus and now we're not. Well, here is that promo. Don't know how I did that, but I did that. So, alright. So it's okay. So it's 2 Sun and Moon and 1 Breakthrough. And here's that if you would like it. I don't. So let's go ahead and do, let me throw the garbage on the floor. Let's go ahead and do the Sun and Moon first. Two, three. Should be energy. Alright, so we got Crushing Hammer, Charge-a-Bug, Dragonair, Shelder, Young Goose, Paris, Caterpie, Samurai guy, Sumo guy, I mean, and a Reverse Hollow Pukumuku, never been able to say that name either, and Stoutland on the end. So let's go ahead and do the Breakthrough. I'll just totally show that in the end, but whatever. Oh, I did that wrong. Oh well. Quilladin, a Behem, some of these new names I can't pronounce. Seaking, a Hoot, Pikachu, Remoraid, Axew, Pansear. Ooh, okay. And a Raichu Break. I think this is the first time I've actually pulled a break card. So that is exciting. I like the hollow on these. And then a Parasect now. So we got, oh, we're coming out of focus again. Come on. Alright, so we got Switch, non-hollow Pew, a big Malasada, Stuffle, Litten, he's lit, Torkoal, Young Goose, Rowlet, and a Reverse Hollow Decidueye. And then regular Decidueye, Grass Energy. Alright, so that's it for the Zygarde Complete Form Pin Collection box. So now let's bust into the Snorlax GX box. Alright. If I can even get the whole thing in frame. There's English. Get you guys out of here. Carefully. Carefully. Give me the card. Okay. I hate this. I hate it. Okay. So we got the Snorlax GX. Real nice and shiny. Come on. You were focusing. You was focusing. There we go. Okay. So here's the Snorlax GX. Nice and shiny. I don't know how I feel about these super shiny cards. They almost feel like fake to me in a way. But this one's really nice. I like his eyes, look like really intense. Alright, and here's this hollow Snorlax. I love that. I love evolutions. And here we got these. Fates Collide, Evolutions, Breakthrough, and Evolutions. Here's that, if you want it. Come on out, big boy. And then here's the big GX, if I can even get the whole thing in frame. Big GX card. I love these giant promos. I have a couple of them somewhere. I have one that at my Diancie, is that how you say her name? One I'm gonna actually have framed somewhere. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the Fates Collide. Get out of here. So we got a Shuckle, Kangaskhan, Cottony, Coughing, Spoink, Mincino, a little hamster thing, a Tiglet, a reverse hollow Wormadam, and a Rotom. Not really much there. Let's go ahead with the Breakthrough. These are kind of old, but whatever. There's a sneak peek there. There's another sneak peek there. So we got a Floette, a Piloswine, a Special Energy, a Routes, a Skidoo, Misdrevious, Swablu, Flabébé, a reverse Alright, so let's go with the Raichu evolutions. Hopefully he treats me better. I think these are 3 to the front. So we've got a Haunter. Fun fact that out of focus. Hey! Fun fact that Haunter with this art from the original set was my first ever Pokemon card, was a Haunter. So we got a Flying Pikachu. Coughing. I see something shiny back there. Energy. Pikachu. A Growlithe. Machop. Nidoran. Reverse Hollow Chansey. Wow, that's beautiful. And a Dugtrio on the end. And here's our final evolutions, or our final pack actually. One day I'll learn not to open these facing the camera. Here we go. So here's a Metapod. Metapod. A Charizard Spirit Link. A Colorless Energy. Diglett. Drowsy. Caterpie. Doduo. Pikachu. And Reverse Hollow Ponyta. And a Mewtwo. Alright. So that is it for this video. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Got some good ones in here. Some okay ones in here. Got some alright ones in here. Alright, thank you. Bye.